Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings, then date and time. If you want to set up your date and time manually, you firstly have to disable this feature, use network provided time, and here you can set up your date. Here you can set up your time. You can also select your time zone here, but if you disable this feature, use network provided time zone, here you firstly have to select your region, and then you can select one of the available time zones. And you can also change time format from 20, you can set on 12-hour or 24-hour. And there's also an option dual clock to display the two clocks, one for your home region and another one for your current region. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.